How to fix WhatsApp verification. SMS code not receiving. If you're not receiving the WhatsApp verification SMS code, don't worry. This problem is very common, and there are a few simple steps that can help you fix it. First, make sure your phone has a stable mobile network. Check your signal bars. If the signal is weak, move to an open area or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. A weak signal is one of the most common reasons for not getting the SMS code. Next, double-check the phone number you entered. Make sure the country code is correct and there are no typing mistakes. Even a small error will stop the code from arriving. If the code still doesn't arrive, restart your phone. Restarting refreshes the network connection, and many users receive the code right after restarting. Some devices block unknown or promotional messages automatically. Open your SMS inbox settings and make sure there is no filter or spam block enabled. Also check if your phone has enough storage to receive new messages. You should also make sure you are not using a VPN. WhatsApp needs your real mobile network to send the code. If a VPN is running, turn it off and try again. If you've tried several times and still didn't get the SMS, choose the option to receive the code through a phone call. WhatsApp will call you and tell you the verification digits clearly. And remember, you should not request the code again and again very quickly. There is a time limit. Wait for at least 1 minute before trying again. If none of these steps work, the issue might be from your mobile network provider. Call your SIM operator and ask them to enable international SMS and service activation. After that, try again. And that's how you can fix the problem of WhatsApp verification SMS code not being received. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.